Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to do some pesto roast tomatoes. Beautiful thing to do for this summer coming up, your spring, a little barbecue or whatever. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. I like to use just some plum tomatoes, but you can certainly use some beef steaks or whatever you got growing in the garden. The bigger ones you might have to slice and do little slices, but what we're going to do is we're going to use the plum tomatoes because, again, that's what I like. And then we've got a little pesto, remember? And actually, we can probably mark that if you wanted to make your pesto. And a little Parmesan cheese. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, let me grab my pan, too. A nice casserole. You can use just a plain sheet pan or whatever. I'm just going to use a nice cast iron because that's what I've got. So let's get our tomatoes ready. And I'm just going to, these are already washed, and we're just going to go ahead and pick them off the vine. And all we're going to do is just give them a little slice, just cut them right in half. Alrighty. And then I'm going to give them a little scoop. And all I'm going to do is try to get some of the seeds out, and that just makes a little pocket for the pesto so we can have a little more pesto. So, you don't have to get everything out of there. Again, all you're doing is trying to make it, like a little bit of a cup. So we'll get those. And then while you're doing this, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to about 400 degrees. These are a nice, quick, easy one too. Perfect for your little summer deal or your spring deal, whatever you got going on. Nice way to use that pesto up. You got that jar of it sitting in your fridge because you made it up. This is perfect. Simple, quick, and these are so delicious you're not going to believe it. All right. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take these and just sort of arrange them around. All righty. And we're going to give them just a little drizzle of a little olive oil. We got some nice extra virgin olive oil. We'll just give them like a light drizzle. Remember, there's always nice oil in there. And a little salt and pepper. And then we're going to take some of that pesto, and we're just going to put like a little spoon on each one, maybe a teaspoon or so, a little teaspoon. Like I said, and that's what that little pocket's for. See how it holds that so nice? And so you get some. They don't want to stand upright. You just help them a little bit. Like I said, now all we're going to do is get a nice little spoon on each one of them, and then we're going to top them with a little more Parmesan cheese. And yes, there is some in there already, but that Parmesan cheese is going to crust up and brown up on there so nice. So we're just going to give each one a little sprinkle. And then, like I said, we're going to pop them in that 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Or a little more, a little less. Keep an eye on them. Like I said, all you want them to do is get tomatoes get a little bit cooked and a little bit soft, and the cheese to brown up a bit. So there we go. We're going to pop these in. And now, through the magic of television, 15 minutes later, these are done. But look at those. Those are beautiful. Anyway, that's some pesto roast tomatoes. I'm Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Go ahead and like, subscribe, let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for watching.